What made me sign up for this? I didn't want to sign up. I felt some resistance. I was like, "Oh, this is not the type of men's group that I'm looking for." I read the description. And I was like, "Is this really what I want?" But then inevitably, someone um, invited me to come in, and then I decided to go. So it was a good decision. One of the most important things has been to be okay with whatever is happening. Before this workshop, for example, I used to like be running around. I was really uncomfortable. I didn't know, but I was just freaking out and anxious and just I was completely lost. I don't know how the hell I just moved through life. Then after I could just feel, oh wow, okay, I'm feeling uneasy, right? You know, close my eyes and just be with the energy, to be in the body and not being taken over by the mind, you know, which is always blah 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 blah. It's allowed me to take more responsibility. This is me, this is how I feel. I can just relax the system, and then I can see what comes up, what decision I make from that space is much better. It's quite interesting because many things I've paid attention to with awareness. Where do I feel it in the body? Where do I feel uneasy? Many things have transformed, have like dissolved. I don't feel them so much anymore. When I was feeling shame, I would feel it a lot on my face. I don't feel it barely anymore, you know, sometimes, but not like before. So that was really, really interesting. So now it's been okay, you know, I feel sad, I feel angry, I feel
Yes.
what to do about it.
Yes.
Now I can be with it, but
Yes.
before
Yeah.
avoiding it,
Yes.
reacting, and it's just a vicious circle that it was
Yeah.
repeating, and oh my God, it was just a nightmare. Things that I normally react to, you know, automatically without any awareness, like getting frustrated or angry and wanting to lash out at somebody or just pointing my finger to somebody. I could just be in that energy, be aware of it, and not getting overtaken by it. It was beautiful to be able to. It was so much so valuable to join with you and other men from the group in all the Zoom calls we've done. That really helped the process to sink in and to just be part of my day to day, which is what I want. I know inside of me this is the only way, because if I avoid, there is no way I'm going to grow. To go into the depths
Yes.
of myself, of my being, regardless of the fear, this allows me to do that, and that's priceless, you know. I look forward to see how this process deepens in myself,
Yes.
because life will keep going on. Life will keep going on, and you know, I used to have this I used to have this this naive idea that one day when I do this workshop, or one day when I learn this, the suffering will be finished. And
Yes.
and it's like,
Yes.
and
Yes.
it's just not true.